Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add freeze frame in Filmora. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my Filmora application and I'm going to add this freeze frame to this video. You can place this pointer on the part you want to add a freeze frame to. And for example, I'm going to place the freeze frame right here. And we can select this more option. Okay, and here we can choose the speed, and then you're going to click on add freeze frame, or you can press alt plus F button at the same time. Okay, I'm going to click on this option. Okay guys, and as you can see that the freeze frame has been added to my video. Okay, and that's all the way to add freeze frame in Filmora. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.